राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम, राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम।
राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कार्यक्रम में नेशनल टीवी चैनल कात्यायनी पर आप सभी राष्ट्रवासियों का स्वागत।
भारत रूस के बीच हुई 2-2 वार्ता के दौरान भारत के रक्षा मंत्री और विदेश मंत्री ने अपने रूसी समकक्षों से बातचीत की। इस अवसर पर दिए गए अपने संबोधन के दौरान विदेश मंत्री ने कहा कि कोरोना के बाद भू राजनीतिक परिस्थितियों में बड़ा बदलाव आया है। इस परिस्थिति के बीच भारत रूस अपने साझा लक्ष्यों को पूरा करने के लिए लगातार कार्य करते रहते हैं। वहीं रक्षा मंत्री ने कहा कि बदलती स्थितियों में भारत की रक्षा चुनौतियां काफी ज्यादा हैं और भारत को उन रक्षा सहयोगियों की आवश्यकता है जो इन चुनौतियों के प्रति संवेदनशील हैं।
Before 21st India-Russia annual summit later today. We are meeting at a critical juncture in the global geopolitical environment, which is in great flux, especially in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. As close friends and strategic partners, India and Russia have been working together to safeguard our common interests and to ensure peace, progress and prosperity for our peoples. Our ties have been close and time-tested. In a world that has changed so much, they have been exceptionally steady. We have had an active dialogue at political levels and also a strong defense partnership over many years. Our meeting gives us a suitable platform to discuss politico-military issues of mutual interest that are interrelated and cross-cutting. Our discussions today will address the emergence of multipolarity and rebalancing. We look too at the consequences of over-centralized globalization. The COVID-19 pandemic has raised questions about the current model of global affairs, but the long-standing challenges remain even as new ones emerge. Prominent among them are terrorism, violent extremism, and radicalization. The situation in Afghanistan has wider repercussions, including for Central Asia. West Asia or the Middle East continues to present hotspots. Maritime security and safety is another domain of shared concern. We both have a common interest in ASEAN centrality and ASEAN-driven platforms. All in all, there is much to discuss today. I look forward to an open exchange of views that would further strengthen our special and privileged strategic partnership.
This morning, I have had an opportunity to discuss in detail with General Shoigu the emerging challenges India is confronted with and the enhanced requirement of India for closer military and military technical cooperation with Russia. The pandemic, the extraordinary militarization and expansion of armament in our neighborhood, and the unprovoked aggression on our northern border since early summer of 2020 have thrown in several challenges. India is confident of overcoming these challenges with its strong political will and inherent capability of its people. Recognizing that its development needs are colossal and that its defense challenges are legitimate, real and immediate, and India seeks partners who are sensitive and responsive to India's expectations and requirements. Excellencies, I am glad that despite all these challenges, India-Russia defense engagements progressed in an unprecedented manner in recent times. I have had the honor of visiting Moscow twice and Dushanbe once to participate in the celebrations for victory in the Great Patriotic War and in 2 rounds of SCO defense ministers meeting. Our officers and troops not only marched shoulder to shoulder with the Russian troops in honor of these fallen in Second World War, but also participated in a substantial manner in major exercises and activities undertaken at Russia's initiatives. Excellency, we hope that Russia will remain a major partner for India in these challenging circumstances. From Ministry of Defense, we have urged our greater military technical collaboration, advanced research, co-development and co-production of defense equipment leading to self-reliance of India. Separately, we proposed greater engagements in Central Asia and the Indian Ocean region. India is a continuation of the vast Eurasian landmass and at the same time central in the enormous Indian Ocean region. We are optimistic about Russia's cooperation in all the domains. Thank you.
दिन देखिए 8 बजे रात्रि 9 बजे सुबह राष्ट्र सर्वप्रथम की बात ललित सुमन के साथ कात्यायनी टीवी पर।
22 वर्षों से प्रकाशित मदर इंडिया पत्रिका, पढ़ते रहे देश दुनिया की खबरों के लिए।
26वें वर्ष में आपके लोकप्रिय समाचार पत्र इंडिया दर्पण का प्रवेश। आप देखते रहें अपने क्षेत्र की खबरें। और अधिक खबरों के लिए आप हमारे YouTube चैनल दैनिक इंडिया दर्पण को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।